sabati.
Should I get this one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Solami.
Solami. That's Bisaya.
Yeah.
Okay, solami.
Salamat Karajao.
Thank you very welcome.
We've arrived at the secret beach. Same crew, the OG crew. You have Sir Justin here. We have...
What is the LG crew?
No, the OG crew. Do you know what OG means?
OG means
doesn't it?
origin
Gangster?
Yes, that's what I thought.
gangster?
Original gangster means like the original. We say OG. Yeah.
Yeah, that's how you do it in America. You take a short word and you make it
Shorter.
like shorter by adding another word.
We probably got it from Snoop Dogg,
That's awesome.
honestly. But this is the secret beach, the original crew.
Nobody.
Look at this sky we have here. And supposedly there are fireflies here, and there's supposed to be a lot of them. And we call them lightning bugs in Alabama. And you can take a boat and go venture out into these fireflies after sunset. I don't know. We'll see if it's cool. Let's check it out. Nino is the dog's name. Hey, Nino. do you work here? Oh, do we need to pay? Do we need to pay?
No.
No, okay, all right.
This way for secret beach.
Okay, thank you. Salamat.
Okay. You're welcome.
Nino's coming with us. Come on, Nino. I like Nino.
Told him.
Okay, we can't curse on my video. I have to edit. I have to edit you out of that. She just said a bad word. This is a clean channel. It's PG.
You know, in Germany it's allowed. You can say whatever you want to. In Germany we even got a alcohol which is called.
I have to edit that out too. She keeps, I don't know how I'm gonna edit this out. I don't know if I want to actually do a beep or if I'm just gonna cut it out. So if you see this as a choppy, beepy video, it's because she keeps cursing in my PG video. We're keeping this channel PG, guys. PG content, family friendly. You're just making my editing job more difficult. That's all you're doing. It's literally all you're doing is just making more work for me. Ruining my video. She thinks it's so funny. Oh wow, this is beautiful. Wow. This is awesome. This is called Secret Beach. Highly recommend this for a sunset spot. And it's free. That's the best part. What do you think about Secret Beach, Justin?
I think this is insane. So beautiful.
I had many people in the last video wondering who you two were. So, do you want to give yourself a proper introduction?
Yeah, I'm Justin from Australia. Come here for chasing waves and meet some epic people.
Don't forget to say hi, Mom.
Hi, Mom.
His mom, it's really funny. He was telling his mom that he was hanging out with someone who has a YouTube channel, and she said, "Oh, I just watched this channel. This guy named Jonathan. He's in the Philippines." That isn't who it is it? And it 100% was. So, hi, Justin's mom.
Whose board this is?
I think the owners.
Oh yeah.
But you can rent it
Can you?
also if you want. Yeah.
Oh, sick.
I think
That'd
just
be a
talk to
sick
him,
experience.
that guy.
Oh, he's getting it.
From?
U.S. Where are you from?
Norway.
Norway. Oh, very good. This is much warmer than Norway.
Very warm.
Freezing in Norway.
What are your guys' names?
My name is Franco.
Do you want to be in the video?
Hello.
Hello.
So, most people watching are probably in the Philippines, actually.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What's your channel?
Travel Escapes.
Travel Escapes.
Yeah.
Okay, that's cool.
And where are you guys from?
I'm the from Philippines. Norway also.
You're from Norway, all of you.
No, I'm from the Philippines.
You're from the Philippines. Okay, Manila. So you're just here on holiday? Yeah. Oh, awesome. So how did you guys meet up then? If you're both from Norway.
No, he's my brother.
Oh, really? Oh, very cool. You're talking about fireflies? Yeah. So where are the fireflies?
Inside.
Okay, so you need to take a tour.
Yeah.
Also the boat.
How many fireflies are there?
So or a lot.
A lot. Can't count the fireflies. And then in the new moon, there's bioluminescent. Here? Oh, that's what I
So
want
there
to
has
see
to
too.
be no moon, like a slither.
Yeah.
You have no moon, a lot of plankton here.
Okay.
And it's just
Yeah, if you want to swim and then you
Beautiful.
want to touch the water. And
Your body also color blue.
Last 2
Able to
nights,
swim.
I have a
In the deep
visit
also,
here
lot of
at
fireflies.
night.
Uh-huh.
So you bring your goggle, you can go full diving.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You saw them last night?
Yeah, last 2 nights.
Last 2 nights?
Visitors
Oh,
here.
wow.
Yeah, plankton and firefly.
Plankton and fireflies.
That's it.
Oh, awesome. Hopefully we can see some. The fireflies?
Yeah. If you want, you hold the firefly.
Oh, okay.
I've never seen
Awesome.
one before, and it was just one single one.
Yeah.
You've only seen one firefly?
Just one, yeah. In Australia, but just one single one.
Once in your life?
Yeah.
One firefly? Do you want to be in the video?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hello. Hello from Israel.
Hello, wait, what are your names?
Noah.
Noah?
Yeah. Reut.
Oh, naman.
Oh wow, that's going to be hard to say.
Yes.
Could
Yeah. Yes.
Yaw?
Reut.
Raoul.
No. Reut.
Reut.
Yeah.
Reut. Okay, Reut Noah. Okay, from Israel.
Yeah.
No, what he was asking, are you going to see the fireflies?
Yeah, if you want. Here is a lot of
What?
Do you know about the fireflies?
No.
We're going to do it. So they'll take you out on a boat in the mangroves at night, and then
No, voy a leer.
7:30.
Yeah.
You know, yeah.
Yeah. So we go with the boat and then what?
there are a ton of fireflies,
What's a firefly?
The glowing things.
glowing bugs.
Like fuck that.
Ah, in the dark.
Small bag.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
7:30.
Butterfly?
there's like
Bugs that light in the dark.
Yes,
Yeah.
מה, אני
Yeah.
לא מכירה את זה.
Mhm.
Cool. וואי, בא לי מהמם פה.
Fireflies.
It is now? Like when it's dark?
7:30.
7:30.
What time is it?
6.
In an hour and a half.
Wow.
I'm good at math. I'm good at math, guys.
Learn something.
How you know each other?
We met here. We all met here, yeah, in the Philippines.
Yeah.
I'm on the paddleboard, taking her out. We are running out of light, unfortunately. We've got the fireflies, but I don't think you're gonna be able to see this. The lighting is gonna be horrible with the cameras and the fireflies, but we'll try to catch the fireflies on camera for you. But if not, you're just gonna have to trust us that it's cool if the videos don't work out well. It's getting dark, I'm paddling back in. Over here's an island. Over there's the moon, and we are on a boat. And you are here.
Yeah, every time.
Hello.
I will sell it Gopro juice. Boat, we go around the mangroves.
beautiful.
At night, we have a firefly here.
You can't see it, but this whole tree is, it's a fairy tree. Look at this. You can see it.
Wow.
It's a fairy tree. We just hit the fairy tree.
Whoa.
Wow, look at it. It's like a Christmas tree. Hello, nice to meet you.
Yeah, nice to meet you too.
Is it okay if I make a video? We're making a video.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, we just did the Firefly Tour. We saw the Firefly trees.
So amazing.
Yeah, it was awesome. It's so cool. It's so, I've never seen a Firefly tree.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, it's so unique. We stopped by. We stopped by to visit Johnny's house. So this is your house. You're Johnny's mother,
that
right?
is my-
If you want to come back again here, you want to buy food or then it's okay. You want to eat here.
So we can bring food and cook here?
Yeah.
Yeah? Yeah, that would be really
Okay,
cool
if you want
too.
to buy here, we have a fish or meat.
Uh-huh.
Maybe next week.
That would be really cool. So let's get your number, and because we do want to do that other tour also. Yeah. Who do we have here? Are these your brothers?
These are the sons.
These are your sons. Oh, you have two sons. Oh, and one other son. Hello.
This is the first time here in Siargao, so did you like our place here?
Oh, it's awesome. We love it so much. Oh, squid.
That's incredible. Yeah, because we're cooking my visitor also. No, I put this one first. Yeah, it's a fresh.
Yeah, nature is a wonder. It is alive. Yes, it is moving, I think. Look, it's spreading this dark tint. It's spreading tint.
It's like the ink.
Tint in German.
This one, the crab.
Right.
King crab.
It's huge!
Sorry? Did you say something?
No, they're also invite you. Let's eat.
Oh, no.
Oh.
She said.
Oh. Okay. I didn't understand.
Yeah, because here, you know, the Filipino very hospitality.
Oh yeah. So hospitable.
That is our, you know, that is our tradition.
Oh, okay.
You
Yeah.
did not know with each other. Dong, paano na dong? You didn't know each other. So that is our attitude.
That is the
Yeah,
best thing
it's
about
so
the
true.
Philippines.
Yeah.
And you feel it directly when you come here. All people are so open and curious and talking to you. Yeah. I love it.
I know. It's the best thing about the Philippines. It's so true. It's so hospitable. Yeah.
So you stay in where? In General Luna.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Everywhere in the Philippines, every place there is a fiesta
Fiesta Mexicana.
celebration.
Yeah.
Fiesta celebration. So General Luna is coming a fiesta.
When?
September 21.
I'm leaving the 18th.
Oh, so you're gonna.
But you guys need to go. You need to send me some.
Yeah. I'm not gonna be here for it either. Yeah.
We'll take some
You
videos.
will.
Yeah. Take some videos for us.
So you know, Siargao is little by little is coming back again because you know Siargao is the Odette, Typhoon Odette, destroyed Siargao.
Yeah. We never saw it before. Yeah, we heard that it was much more green before and so many more trees and
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Now it's so beautiful.
Yeah.
We never saw it before.
It's very beautiful. They're going back the green leaves.
Yeah.
The green color of the plants, the trees.
You know, for us already now, it's more than beautiful.
Oh, yeah.
So we were like,
So
oh,
yeah,
wow,
thank you so much for
Yeah.
the appreciation of our place, of our Siargao.
Oh, we love it. Yeah, we love it. So I'm sure. I'm sure it was amazing before also, but this is all we know, and we love it as it is right now. Sorry. Oh no. Oh, that's. We don't want to eat your food and intrude. We weren't invited. We just came here and to say hello. I would feel bad. Fish. And squid? Oh, squid.
You want to try?
Maybe just a little bit. I feel like I'm intruding because I just came here. I don't want to eat all of your food. Maybe just one bite. Yeah, maybe just a try. I don't want to. Oh, okay. So this is. Okay, so this is squid with.
This is kinilaw.
Kinilaw. Okay, kinilaw. Okay, so kinilaw is what is kinilaw?
This is kinilaw.
Okay.
Raw squid.
Oh, kinilaw means raw squid.
Yeah, with vinegar.
Okay.
Vinegar with ingredients.
Okay. Oh, very good. This looks delicious. Okay. I'm trying this. That is refreshing. And it's a little spicy. Oh, that's actually a lot spicy.
Oh, really? Oh no, I'm not.
No.
That's what not really. This one.
Oh.
Something not spicy.
Try that.
Okay, how?
Not that spicy. It's not. This one. This
This one is sweet.
Okay. I'll try this one.
not really. What is
No, it was so good, the spice. Maybe I got a pepper.
Oh, adobo.
Adobo.
And I just eat all of this just like this?
You've never had adobo, have you?
No.
She's never had adobo.
I know.
Adobo's awesome.
You can taste. You can try.
Adobo's my favorite in the Philippines.
That is, yeah.
Yeah, it's so good. Is it sweet?
With you know, that is black because the I don't know what is that, because that is the pure adobo with black, because mixed with black.
It's actually not burnt.
No, yeah. It's supposed to be black. Yeah. And this is the other squid. Okay, that's a grilled squid.
Yeah.
Grilled
Oh.
squid.
Okay, awesome. And then this is the raw squid, right? Yeah.
That is the raw squid.
And this one
Adobo
has.
squid, raw squid, grilled squid.
What did you say? Yours? Oh, I'm sorry. I set my plate on her plate.
So tasty. So
Yeah, you can.
It's so tasty.
Yeah, you can choose this one, the meat one inside.
I know when I try. We come back.
Yeah.
I feel bad. We just showed up at your house at dinner.
We're glad.
And we just came and started eating your food.
Yeah.
It's so good though. Thank you so much.
You can try more.
I feel bad.
No, it's okay. It's fine.
Try more though.
Okay, maybe I try the squid adobo.
Okay.
I've never had that one before.
Okay, sure.
Okay, I'll put just one little one on my plate.
That's the head.
Okay.
The head.
Oh, that's the head? Should I not eat the head?
The body. The circular. Is the body.
Should I get this one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Try that.
I'll get that one. Okay. I love adobo. This one? Yeah, it's got a little bit of a spice to it. Yeah. Do you like it? Do you like this one? Okay. This is the squid adobo.
Sorry?
So good. I love adobo so much. It's so good. I love it.
And this?
Grilled. Grilled squid.
You wanna try one?
Yeah, sure. Yeah. They just got it from there. From the sea.
Yeah, today?
Yeah,
It's all fresh?
it's fresh.
That's the best thing about living here is everything is so fresh. Oh, thank you so much. It's so good. Thank you too.
You're welcome.
Good. Mazarap.
Masarap.
Solami.
Solami. That's Bisaya.
Yeah.
Okay, solami.
Salamat Karajao.
You're welcome.
Oh, that means big thank you.
Big thank you.
Yeah, salamat karajao. This is so awesome.
Thank you, Salamat.
Yeah. So who all are the cousins? And
We're siblings, me, her, this is my brother, our eldest, and then my other sister,
okay.
and these two are my
Okay.
as well as this lady and this girl. So we belong to a big family.
Yeah, it seems like it. It seems like a very. And so you're all from Cebu?
Yes,
And
from
you're-
Cebu. And we just arrived here earlier.
Today.
Yes, yesterday.
Oh wow, so a big day.
Yes.
You weren't expecting us to just walk up to the house.
That's okay. No, that's fine.
Well, thank you so much. I didn't mean to intrude, but thank you so much. We should probably let you guys have dinner, but thank you so much for letting us come and try everything.
My friend,
It's so great.
picture.
Yes.
A picture? Yeah, awesome. Let's take a picture.
My friend, picture. Yeah.
I'll give you the YouTube channel too.
Yes.
Yeah, yeah. I want a picture too.
Picture ko na send.
Yeah. Thank you. Nice to meet you. Goodbye.
Enjoy.
Be careful.
All right.
Careful.
I think that's the perfect point to end the video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.